What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you harassing your sister? Why you gotta do it like that? Oh, she's in her sink safety zone. Now what, Alma? Now what? Hi, Meow. Hi, Meow Meow. What's up? What's up? What you doing? Aren't you guys the handsome couple? Huh? Aren't you the handsome couple? That's a good technique, Alma. Do you have a name for that? What do you call that? What do you call that? Do you have a name for it? Really? Tell me more. Tell me more, Meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Wow, this is really existential. Nice. I like it. I like your technique. It's pretty clever. Kitty say what? Kitty say what? What? Turn off the light. Get out of there.